In today's episode, I'm going to show you these things. They're called gripples, and they have a tendency to fail. We don't like using them because they got like a nylon insert in them. I think the whole thing's like aluminum or something. And they got like a nylon insert, and eventually it gives out. And then that happens. Wire comes out and your whole line sags. So I got my come along on it and my trip over brush over here, and I've got a wire puller. I'm going to hook onto that, and then I'm going to use these wire splice kit, or this wire splice kit rather, and splice it all back together. Start with this. So these things, they've got a painted line right in the middle of them. Start that at the end of your wire, and then you just wrap it. And then the other one's gonna wrap around a tree here. There we go. The other one's gonna wrap around the wire in the spaces here on this one, and the two of them hold together. So when the wire pulls, it's like what they call them, the Chinese finger. It just kind of cinches right up on the wire, and it is not going anywhere. I have yet to have one of these fail on me. But first, let's get this other end. What a mess. Cut the tree. I had it. Now I'm just going to go right past the old gripples. The wire is going to meet this thing. There we go. And cinch it up. That'll hold it in place. I can put the second one on. Release the come along, and this is good to go again. Gripples seemed like a good thing at the time. Some places still sell them for maple use. Why, I don't know. Because everybody I talk to who's used them for any length of time says, nope, not using them anymore. They're too prone to failure. Then you're running around the woods like this. I should be out tapping it, and I'm out here fixing this instead. There we go. Yep. Place. That's up where I want it. So this is the end product. So, see how nice that is? And bypass the gripples. Hopefully this end doesn't give out. But for now, it's fixed. Hope you find that informative. Thanks for watching.